Hi, I'm Matt Jones, Service Manager at Hendrick Acura Southpoint. You wouldn't believe it, but the most common complaint people have about their car isn't about the engine, it isn't about the brakes, it's actually Bluetooth and telephone problems. One of the most popular features you see on cars now is the connectivity we have with programs like Apple CarPlay. So we can run our maps, listen to our music, and make our phone calls all through that app. But sometimes after your device gets a software update from Apple or from Microsoft, you may have a problem with your connectivity, and the best thing to do is to reboot your system. If you do have this problem, the first thing that I would suggest before bringing your car into the dealer is to try to reset the system. The first thing you'd want to do is actually delete the car from your phone and delete the phone from your car. After the data reset, you can then repair your phone to the car. To do the factory data reset, on your display screen, go to Settings, System, and then Factory Data Reset. Once you select that, follow the on-screen instructions, and it'll reset the system for you. At that point, you can repair your phone and then try to make sure everything is working correctly. Another recommendation from the telephone manufacturers is to make sure you're using a factory original cord and not an aftermarket. The data transfer rate is much better on the original cord, and you'll have better success with that. Of course, if that process doesn't work, we're here to help you. Just give us a call at Hendrick Southpoint Acura. I'm Matt Jones. I'd be glad to help. Thank you.